What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. We're going to take a look at Matic Polygon, but I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I probably will see you guys before the end of the new year, but definitely not tomorrow. I'm going to be spending time with the famo, gang shits. But I will be doing the giveaway tomorrow because of course I won't be making the video, so I will be bringing out the 1000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys for all your support. It's been crazy how fast this channel has grown. After Christmas or in the new year, I will be trying to, like, my goal is to bring out more than 5 videos a day, because at the moment I've just been struggling to do more than 5 videos a day, but I will try as hard as possible to get more than 5 because there's too many cryptos to cover. But I will try to cover more because I know a lot of you are in other cryptos, so I try and make daily updates on, for example, like VRA or Trias or Beat Pro, for example. Or just let me guys know in the comments below, out of the coins I have covered in the past, which ones you would like to see again, because I'm sorry guys, I can't do new coins because there's already coins that I have done in the past that I've covered a lot that I haven't been doing in a while. So I want to keep doing those coins because I have those people that have come to the channel expecting those videos, but I haven't been bringing them out for a while, so they do watch my Bitcoin videos. If I haven't brought your coin out, watch my Bitcoin videos. They're amazing because that's what tells us what the market is doing. And yesterday with Bitcoin, it never came back to retest that double bottom neckline, did it? It actually held the 55 EMA where exactly it was in yesterday's video, and from there went up. And that's why all the other coins didn't drop, although they did have bearish divergence. So we need to watch out for this bearish divergence. Bitcoin went up, yes, and so it drags all the alts, but we need to watch out for the bearish divergences. What I do want to say though is Matic is looking good, isn't it? It's looking juicy. I think yesterday we printed a new all-time high, of course with the daily close, but I think yesterday, if you can read over here, the high, the low, and the close, that's what the C is. So, and this is the open basically. So the high of the screen candle was $2.7359, and then this previous all-time high, $2.7257. So yeah, a new all-time high by literally 1 cent. So amazing. We'll still take that basically. So yes, you close a daily candle outside of the full rising wedge, sorry. And remember guys, if you ever fell out of this rising wedge, this would be your first target where you could bounce off it, get back inside, because look where the 200 EMA is. This would be your second target and your third target down here. So around 68 cents, $1, and around $1.45 basically. But you can invalidate this, or you can invalidate this because these can actually break out the opposite way. But there's like 2/3 chance of breaking downwards basically, and 1/3 chance of breaking upwards. So this is basically showing you guys how bullish Matic is. But we need to watch out for the bearish divergence basically. So on the daily, yeah, actually topped out over here, so we need to watch out for that, of course. But on the 4-hour time frame, we do have multiple bearish divergences, which I was calling out over here. So this is your high, this is a higher high, and this is an even higher high. But over here, it's telling me that you already topped out back here, and since topping out here, you did make 2 higher highs. But on the RSI, you put 2 lower highs basically. So it's well, on the RSI it's saying it's playing out, but we haven't seen that on the charts yet. So yesterday we were about over here, of course under it, wicks to the top, it's going to drop. It makes sense for me to tell you guys that. It would be me lying if I told you, yeah, it's going to continue up. Why? Because at that moment of the video we were under the 1. So when you're under the 1, it's highly likely you're going to come to the 786 if we're using the fibs basically. Lose a fib level, you go to the 1 below. Break a fib level, you're going to go to the 1 above. And we'll explain why we're going to come to this in a second, but until invalidating that. But yeah, wicks at the top, it's going to drop. We're at resistance. If you see wicks at resistance, there's weakness. But Bitcoin was like, nope, we're going up. And that's why we saw a final push upwards. But you're still, with that push, yes, you made a higher high, but you failed to break this high over here. If you broke this high, then potentially we could even tackle this high over here, but you couldn't even break this high. So you keep on creating lower highs basically. But I can see, yeah, you did actually form some bullish divergence here, and that's potentially why we had this run up, because you had a short-term bullish divergence. But guys, we're doing this bullish divergence in the overbought territory, so for me we do need to come down eventually. Is that now? Are we going to continue one more push up to the 1.272? Because yeah, we broke back above with the Bitcoin pump, confirming that support twice with 2 4-hour candles. Will we continue up? well, first, this is still a lower high, so we need to go and break this high to come up to here. But of course, if we were to lose this to $58, then yeah, I'd say retest of the 20, and then potentially that bearish divergence plays out, and then we roll over to the 786 basically, because that's what we want to do. Now we're above this, you're in a technical target to the 1.272 until you lose support. Lose support, hit it as resistance, you come into the 786. Confirm it as support multiple times, we're going to go to the 1.272, get rejected. But yeah, I'm watching out for that 4-hour bearish div. Of course, we saw that daily bearish div, but yeah, what was that daily one? Yeah, the daily one was saying I think we topped out over here already. Yeah, so we have obviously continued up, but we just need to watch out for the 4-hour one on the smaller time frame. So of course, if you fall back into this, we need to see the 0618 hold. Guys, as long as we're above the 0618, everything in between is waffle. Just because I'm telling you we have bearish divergence and we're going to come down in the short term, it doesn't make me bearish. Yes, while we're above this 0618, everything in between is waffle. So technically speaking, we are going to $3.30. We just need to invalidate that bearish div, or at the moment we need to see that bearish div play out a little bit, maybe drop us to the 55. Can you see we got above the 20, formed the bullish cross, and then the 55 was back tested as our double brick wall. Lose the 20 and the double brick wall holds. So if we were to lose the 20, we come to the double brick wall, and that by then that probably is going to line up with that 786. So we want to see that hold, but all in all, the most key area to hold is the golden pocket, the 050 to the 0618. As long as you're above that, you are in a technical target to $3.30, sorry, at the 1618, and everything in between is nonsense. So just last pattern, you basically got like a rising wedge over here. So technically speaking, you got a technical target at the bottom of the wedge basically. So let's get that exact for you guys. Yeah. So you've actually got a target down here. That's probably, well, to the bodies really. So that's the 20 EMA. So lose it, we're going to wick down to here. And if we were to lose a 20, come down to here. We've got the bearish divergence showing us that basically. So guys, Merry Christmas to you all. I'll catch you guys maybe on Boxing Day or the day after. I hope you have an amazing evening with your family. And yeah, hope you get all the presents that you've wished for this Christmas. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.